really crucial is the fact that the space generation address a bunch of youths that happen to be the future of the industry, and they actually comprise a greater percentage of the populace right now. And then you create opportunity for people to begin to learn how to leverage on what has been achieved by the older generations. Get this done is to create a very good environment, a very good opportunity for the youth in space industries to come together, to meet together, and in such a way that they have full sponsorship, giving support to their activities is as good as supporting the mandate of those space agencies.